Hello, I am Tyler from the Muncy Public Library. One book that I really love is The Lightning Thief by Riordan. It follows Percy Jackson, demigod, as he discovers his true self and ventures out on a quest to save the world from a war between the gods. This book serves as an introduction to the five-book Percy Jackson series. I love this book as our main character, Percy, just doesn't fit in. He gets kicked out of every school he goes to and has trouble fitting in. Once he finds his crowd, he fits in just fine and learns more about who he really is. This is an entertaining read and that also helps the reader learn more about Greek mythology. The book has been turned into a graphic novel and a movie. The graphic novel is excellent and follows the plot of the book quite well, the movie not so much. However, Riordan announced that there will be a Disney Plus series for the Percy Jackson series. In the meantime, check out this book or graphic novel at the Muncy Public Library today.